Hey, what's up, King OJ fans? Today we're going to be playing. Do not push the button, you guys. Hope you like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and please like the video and get this video to 10 likes, you guys. To 10 likes, you guys. Please. Oh no. Oh, okay. Let's see how many. Oh my god, I need to get this speed. No, please, no. How do you push people? How do you push? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How weird is this game, you guys? Oh my god. No one is falling. Whoa. Oh no. No, please. Oh, you can jump. Okay, that's it. Okay. Ow! Oh! Please, no one die. We're still alive. We're still alive. Wait, don't get me. Still alive. Let's go. Come on, give me coins, please. I need coins. Come on, I need to get some money. I'm the seeker? Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Sick. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Gotta find them. Oh, I think I'm gonna run away. Oh, I see somebody namer tag. Why did they do that? See, now I can see people namer tag. That's not fun. Man. See, yes, speedy. Go. Got him. Let's go. Come on. Get him. Let's go. Too good at this game, guys. Oh no. I might actually lose this game, guys. No, I just gotta say. No! No! Where's my... Jesus, come on. Give me one person, please. Come on. No, he's right there. Got him! I killed you! I killed him at the moment. Oh my god. Baldi killed me. Baldi died. Come on. Boom. Oh, the speedy horse is so good. Speedy horse is so good. Oh my god. I gotta do this. Bro, I want this big, am I just losing my mind? Okay, am I losing it? Why? Push it. Stop it! Just get this out, please. Get it out. Get it out, you guys. Get it out. No, he fell. No, he did. He died, you guys. Oh no, there's raining dogs, guys. It's raining dogs. Oh, I'm out of this, guys. Doggies. Don't need to act why. Open your mouth. Oh. Oh, you can shoot them. Yes. Got him. Let's go, guys. Oh. Let's go. Oh yeah. You're a breakdancer. You're a breakdancer. Oh my god. Bro, how many ones are done? Okay, you guys. Yeah. No, please. Wee. Alright guys, we're gonna do 2 more, and then we're gonna end the video, okay guys? Alright, we're gonna do 2 more and end this video. Oh. I don't even have enough, okay. What's the plan, you guys? Wait, what? Oh. Oh, okay. Really? That was just... Let's go. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. We got 1 more game and then we're gonna end this video, guys. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I don't like this one. We're gonna do another one, guys. We're gonna do another one, you guys. Okay, good. It's so hard to get all these coins. I'm trying to get the thing I want. Okay. And another one. Just get the diamonds. Yes. Come on. Get it. Got wood hair? Are you serious? I don't like that one, but we're doing another one, guys. This one is not my favorite one, guys. I already know what's gonna happen. Explosion. Oh, why are you even going there? That was not fun. That was not fun. Come on. Come on, we need 1 more coin. Oh, just watch out. Can I get the last one? No, yes! And I'd rather die. At least I can get the stuff I wanted. It's raining tacos. Come on. Got it? Okay. And, no, got it. Okay. Got it. Oh, got it. Got it? No! Are you kidding me? Let's see. Gotta say, I ain't taking miles, boy. Come on. Come on. I didn't even get to rob it from him. So weird this game is. Bro, we all had 7. We literally all had 7. This is how weird this game is, you guys. Alright, after this game, guys, we're gonna end this video, you guys. Go green, you guys. No. Okay, hope you like and subscribe, you guys. And I'll see you later. And please do not unsubscribe, you guys. And we'll see you all later. And do not miss one of my videos with Gaming with Jay, you guys. See you all later. Bye, guys.